So good afternoon. So this is the circuit part of the K-map, which circuit part of the 7 segments. From the previous video, we did the K-map uh, of the 7 segments, and then this video will serve as uh, the working circuit or the working output of our 7 segment. So let's begin with the alphabets.
So first, i-kunin natin, ay, ilagay natin yung input natin which is yung 0000, diba? So, magiging output nun is A. Then, next natin is yung 00001. Then, ang magiging output niya is B. The next is yung 00010. Then, ang magiging output niya is C. The next is yung 00011. Then, ang output niya is D. The next natin is yung 00100. So, ang output niya is si E. Then, next is yung 00101. So, ang output niya is F. And next is yung 00101. No, I mean 00110, which is si G. The next is yung 00111. So, yan. Yung output is si H. Next is yung 01000. So, yan. Si I. The next naman natin na and last for me, 01001, which is si J. So, next.
So, kaklarify ko lang, ang given dito is BC dapat ang iilaw for I. Ang ginawa na lang namin is FE or ayun nga, FE, F segment and E segment yung pinailaw namin to serve the I. And then, okay, let's proceed sa K. So, ang K, ang inputs dapat natin is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So, yan. Mukha siyang H pero that is our letter K. And then, for L, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. There we go. And then, M, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. There we go. And then, N would be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. There we go. Nice. So, O is 0, 1, 1, 0. There we go. Nice. P is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Apat na 1. It's the letter P. Q would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Nice. And then R would be 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. There we go. Nice. And then S naman is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So that is S. And then for small letter T natin is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. There we go.
So now naman, dito naman tayo sa letter U naman. So sa letter U naman is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Yan. So next naman is yung letter V natin. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Ayan. So for next naman, yung W naman natin. So for that, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So for Y, 1, 0, then 1, 1, 1. Then for last naman, si Z, so 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0. So for last naman, yung for group name naman, so for big letter G, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And for small letter R, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.
So, clarify lang natin, no? So, for the group, so GR, so sa G nun, yung GR, so 11001. There we go. So, next is yung R is 11010. There we go. And then, since group G kami, the G would be 11011. Nice.
Okay. So, sa buong circuit naman, papakita ko lang kung paano namin nabuo to is inisa-isa namin. So, pakita ko muna yung buong circuit. So, itong ano na to, circuit na to, compose siya ng pitong or anim na AND gate. Kung saan ito yung nanggaling sa K-map. Ito naman papunta kay output A mula dito kay segment A. Ngayon, okay, ito na. Bibigay ko na yung parang yan. Ito na yung circuit namin based sa simulator namin ginamit, which is simulator.io. So next naman is ito kay B, halos pito na AND gate, although multiple input siya, kaya mas simplified yung kanyang orientation. Ito papunta kay output B sa ating 7 segment. Kay C, ito yung pinakamalaki na kailangan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 na IC almost ang ginamit para kay output C or 9 na AND gates. Pero multiple inputs. Same din kay ORCID na multiple inputs din. Sunod naman kay D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So halos 7 multiple input AND gates. Papunta naman kay output D. Tapos kay E naman, dalawang AND gate lang, then rekta na kumuha doon sa NOT na naka-NOT gate ng mga input natin. So diretso na to kay output E. Next is papunta ka na kay output F doon sa or kay F segment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiple input na AND gate ang nagamit. Then lastly kay segment G or kay output segment G is 5 multiple input na AND gate ang ginamit. So paano namin nagawa is inisa-isa na lang muna namin. So nagsimula kay A, kay B hanggang kay C and so forth na. So ito yung pinaka orientation na aming circuit na aming ginawa. And for clarity purposes, meron kaming nakabukod na naka-NOT gate na dun sa mga normal inputs namin para dito diretso na lang kami kukuha na lang dun sa mga inputs para hindi na kami or para hindi mas maging simplified na hindi na maging komplikado yung aming circuit. So ito yung kabuuan ng aming circuit at ng aming naging output or presentation. So yun lang po at maraming salamat.